Now look at it. Last class we have done two formulas. Now, one formula was based on the first part where we have learned one very important thing that given one point will be present on a line and that point was considered as A, we have taken this point as known point, correct now? And one point was the resultant one. This one is considered as R vector and this one is considered as A vector. Then formula and parallel support was there, that is B vector. That will R vector is equal to A vector plus lambda B vector. This was the equation. Understood? Now next what we have studied here is given 2 points will be present there. That is A1, A point and B point will be there and P point will be outside. So this is considered as A vector, this is B vector, this is resultant R. So R vector is equal to A vector plus lambda B vector minus A vector. So these are the two formulas we have exactly learned in the previous question. Did you understood this part? So now what we are going to, Sanjana, good evening beta. Please inform in the group Sanjana to join as fast as possible. So now we are going to solve questions based on whatever we have studied, the two formulas we have studied. Now based on this, today we are going to solve the questions. Okay. Now the first question we are going to solve today is when they will give, find the vector equation of a line, find the vector equation of a line, wrote down, find the vector equation of a line, find the vector equation of a line, vector equation of a line passing through A 4 2 minus 1 and B come beta 6 minus 1 3. So these are the 2 points. Huh? You got? And got what you said? Still I didn't understood what you said. You got? Shivaranjani, good evening beta. Oh, he got cured. That's a good news. Congratulations, you got cured. Now look here beta. These are the 2 points. So vector, this question we are going to do. Now come on, start solving the question. So now here 2 points are given to you. First we are going to draw, this part will become A and A is written as 4 comma 2 comma minus 1 and this part is written as B. B is coming as 6 minus 1 comma 3. Now we are going to calculate this part, this section, this is arrow A to B. Resultant point will be coming as P and this is considered as R vector. Done? Till here we have done this part. Now only one thing you have to do, this part is coming as A vector, this part is coming as B vector. So OA vector will become A vector and A vector is written as 4I plus 2j minus k and OB vector is considered as B vector and it is written as 6I minus j plus 3k. Done? Now how resultant we are going to write, because they don't write the vector like that. So everyone, are you there in the group? Please check. So R vector is equal to A vector plus lambda B vector minus A vector. This is the way of writing the answer. So this is coming as A vector, B vector minus lambda A vector. So how we are going to write? R vector is equal to A is coming as 4I plus 2j minus k plus lambda. It is coming as 6I minus j plus 3k and then beta minus 4I plus 2j minus k. So now you need to subtract because vector only they asked. So 4I plus 2j minus k plus lambda. 6 minus 4 will become 2i minus j minus, so minus 3j, and then plus 4k. This will become the answer. This is the vector answer. This is the vector answer. So this is exactly the way. Soris, good evening. Darunesh, good evening. I hope you might have understood how to solve the question, please. Good evening, Utsav. So I hope you might have understood how to solve. Hey, you coming means non-stop you will talk. I know that. Tanish, good evening. I'm giving 3D also. Amma. In test, full vector I am giving. Enjoy. Vector, Amma. Full vector I will give. Wait now. Ma'am, not listening me now. So today also leave. Yesterday also leave. So what should I do? I'll cover the syllabus fast. Now look at it. So this is the equation. Now we are going to solve the next question. Get ready. Tanish, good evening. So this is the 2 points given and the vector equation is written like this. We'll go for the next question. Come on, children. Next question, get ready. Written na, Praveen? Shall I start teaching, sir? Can I start? Shall I start with your due permission? If you will do all the work is over means can I start teaching? Now look here. Just go for this question. This is a very good question. Write the question, please. I don't know any person like that. My duty is not to know any person. My work is only to teach. I'm teaching only. So write down, beta. The question is, this question is a very old question, yet indeed it is a very good question. You must solve this. Find the vector equation of a line. Find the vector equation of a line. Find the vector equation of a line passing through a point. So it is exactly passing through one point, okay? Passing through a point with position vector. So what is the position vector given here? The position vector given here is 2i minus j plus k. So this is a position vector given. Okay. So find the vector equation of a line passing through a point with position vector. This much is given. And and parallel to the line, okay, and is parallel to the line joining the points, joining the points minus I plus 4j plus k and I plus 2j plus 2k. Understood. Also find the Cartesian equation of it. Okay, come on, start solving the question. Try this question out, please. Let's see who will give the answer first. Tanish, solve and give me the answer, please. Try this question. Write the question. I'm checking your writing or not. Good boy. Chalo, solve it. Now look at it. The question is very simple. I have given you time to analyze it, but just understand this one. So what is given to you? What is exactly given to you? Let's understand these questions. So these type questions, already this question came in CBSE. We're going to understand this question nicely first. What they have given here is find the vector equation of a line passing through a point with position vector this. Okay. So vector equation. So vector equation of a line, okay? So this is a line, huh? Now this line is passing through a point A, and exactly what is given to this passing through a point this, it is 2 minus 1 1, and that is its vector is taken as A vector with O this part. Now and parallel to the line joining the points. So, and this line, whatever whose equation you are going to find, this line is parallel to another line L1. So, L is parallel to L1. Understood? And L1 is having the point, we will take this as B and C. Got it? So, first we will connect everything. Got it? So B part will be considered as what? This part is parallel. So definitely this will become B vector and this will become C vector. And this part is considered as A vector. Our work is over. Can you know, do you know, like this questions coming means jackpot. Because see, these are really jackpot questions. Why? Because the concepts are not so tough to understand. One line is there having a point. Understood? It is parallel to another line having point B and C. And its position vector is exactly given. Now we have to find the equation of this line. And we know that one very important thing that if we know one very important point that if any line is there, in that line one point is given. Only one point is given means we need a parallel support. Correct now? What we need? We need a parallel support. So let's go for a parallel support. I hope you might have understood. Yes, it's a parallel support beta. Now what we are going to do, our focus should be position vector. So now our work is to retain the part and write. So first beta, so this is given. What we have to find? We have to find vector equation of line L and also its Cartesian equation. So we have to find vector equation and also we have to find its Cartesian equation. Understood? So first what is given? What is position vector given? OB vector. OB vector is coming as these two lines are there. These two points are there. So this will become B vector. So B vector is written as minus I plus 4j plus k. And OC vector will be coming as I plus 2j plus 2k beta. So definitely what is BC? It is the parallel support. Now BC is considered as the parallel support. This is the parallel vector it is. So it what BC will be written as? BC vector will be written as OC minus OB. That is C vector minus B vector. So what is C vector beta? This part. So it is coming I plus 2j plus 2k minus b vector is coming as minus I plus 4j plus k. So this is coming as I minus I plus I, because minus into minus will become plus. So I plus I will become 2I. Now 2j minus 4. So it is minus 2j and then 2k minus k. So it will become k. Done. Now this is the parallel support. This will become what? This will become BC vector will become the parallel support. So how to write the vector equation? Our way of writing the vector equation is, in simple way we can write the vector equation as R vector is equal to OA vector plus lambda BC vector. That is R vector is equal to A vector plus lambda. BC vector is C vector minus A vector. Correct now? So BC vector formula is what beta? 2I minus 2j plus k. This is BC vector. Now beta R A vector is what? A vector directly it is R vector is equal to A vector is 2I minus j plus k, and here lambda 2I minus 2j plus k. So this will become the vector notation of line L. Understood? This is the vector notation of line L. But we need to find what? We need to find the Cartesian. Okay, we forgot lambda. So today something is happening. So this is coming as lambda. So once we have written till here, now what work we are going to do? We need to split this one in Cartesian. So R vector will become xi plus yj plus zk is equal to 2 plus 2 lambda I, then plus minus 1 minus 2 lambda j, and then plus 1 plus lambda k. Now beta equate the like terms, this equal to this. So it will come x is equal to 2 plus 2 lambda. So x minus 2 by 2 is equal to lambda coming. Now next one, y is equal to this part. So y equal to minus 1 minus 2 lambda. Minus 1 minus 2 lambda. So y plus 1 by 2 is equal to lambda. Next, z is equal to 1 plus lambda. So z minus 1 by 1 equal to lambda. Everything is equal to lambda. So answer is x minus 2 by 2 equal to y plus 1 by 2 equal to z minus 1 by 1, and that will become the Cartesian equation. That's become the Cartesian equation of the line. Okay. So come on, note down this one. We'll go for another question. Like these questions are very important. Here this point is minus 1, no? So minus. Got it? Note down, please. Excuse me, sir. What happened? Go for the next question, beta. Are you ready for this? Now I'll go for the next question. Now beta, what is direction ratio? Now we are going to go for some questions which is dependent on direction ratios. Now this question what I'm giving you is based on direction ratios. Okay. So you know that one time I taught you direction ratios and direction cosine. Now we are going to go questions based on that only. So write the question first. This one, sorry, note down first. What? Huh? Finished? That's what I was waiting now. Direction ratios, we already know that what cuts it is going for x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. That was coming the ratios. Understood? Ratio by magnitude part will become its direction cosine. But they are not asking direction cosine. They are asking direction ratio in this question. So, right? The Cartesian equation of a line R. This question already came in board exam. So, please do it. The Cartesian equation of a line R, the Cartesian equation of a line R, 6x minus 2 equal to, after that 6x minus 2 equal to 3y plus 1 equal to 2z minus 2. Understood? Because this is exactly the direction equation. Good morning, ma'am. Bang hai kya? You ate something? No, it's good morning. First to coming late, second is telling good morning. Today something was there in school? Twin day. Huh? Huh? Tomorrow was not, today was not twins day. Then what? Today Papa day was there. Which day was there today in school? Two idiots told today is twin day. I'm going to punch them. Wait. Can I take the name of the student who told today is twins day? Joseph. Yesterday he came very late in class and he's telling, ma'am, twins day tomorrow, so only went for shopping. Twins day dress. Celebrate twins day, celebrate ethnic day, after that get 100 also. Nothing. I'll not say anything. In test, I will take all the revenge. This time, test question I will put very heavy. Then you will understand. Now look here. 2z minus 2 is there. So find the direction ratio and also find vector equation of line. So first is find the direction ratio. Hey monkey. Find the direction ratio also find the vector equation of the line. Hey, find the direction ratio, also find the vector equation of the line. Who and all are present in the group? Come on, say fast. So this is exactly direction ratio and vector. So first we are going to write the equation of the line. I already explained you how to get the direction ratio. So we need to get the ratio section. The parallel support will exactly give you the direction ratio. In simplest form, I taught that whatever parallel support is coming, that will give you the direction ratio. Nothing big we have to do. But after that also, if you will not do, means Govinda, Govinda, I will not do anything. You only go wherever you want to go. Come on. So that means what? First the direction ratio we need to find, and then we have to find the equation of the line in the vector format. Already Cartesian is there. So at the time when I was teaching, I taught a very simple concept. Please kindly understand this part. Darunesh, are you there in the group? So first you understand here what and all things are there. Seriously, I'm telling you. So here it is 6x minus 2, 3y plus 1 and 2z minus 2 is there. So what work we are going to do is we will divide. Okay, we don't need this 6 as coefficient. Okay, what we are going to do? We will divide it by 6. So now look here. 6x minus 2 . Last time I'm telling you, seriously, I'm going to punch you. Now here, 6 will come, x minus 2 by 6. We have taken out, done. Now here, 3 we will take out, y minus of minus 1. So this part will become, then we can write like, na, if you are taking out 6 means the one which is not there, it will get divided. Now second section will become what? 2 taken out, it will become z minus 1. So now it will become 6 minus 2 by 6. Here it will come 1 by 6. If 6 will go down, it will become 1 by 6. Revert, it will come as 6. So here it will come y minus minus 1 by 3 by 1 by 3 equal to 2 z minus. So here this part will become 1 by 2. Come on, find the LCM of 1 by 6, 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. What is the LCM of 632? Wait, Paityam. What is the LCM of 632? Should I go take you to class 6 and 4? What is the LCM of 632? Come on, say. What is the LCM of 632? 632. Today I thought only my brain is not working. It is 6 only, na? So here what will come? You have to multiply everywhere with 6. So what will come? It will come x minus 1 by 3 by 1 equal to y minus of minus 1 by 3 by 2 is equal to z minus 1 by, here it is coming as 3. So definitely I told you, whenever you are searching for base, whenever you are searching for answer, you need to understand what is the direction ratio. The direction ratio will be the point which will be parallel support is giving. Understood or not? So what is the direction ratio? 1, 2, 3 are the direction ratios. What is 1, 2, 3? Direction ratios. So you have to make it equal to lambda. Correct now? So 1, 2, 3 are what? 1, 2, 3 are considered as direction ratio. So you need to write that once you are getting the LCM, so this will be the fixed point. Now what is the fixed point and what is coming from the parallel support? So we already know now x minus a by x1 is equal to y minus b by y1 is equal to z minus c by z1. So this will be coming from parallel support. So here if we are drawing, that means this will b vector will become x1 I cap, y1 j cap, y1 j cap plus z1 k cap. This is b vector and this is exactly coming from this one. Understood? And what is the fixed point? The fixed point will be a, b and c. That is coming from here a, b and c. So just circle this one. This is this, this and this. This will become the fixed point. Got it? And this one will become the coefficients of vector support. That's it. That will become the coefficient of vector support. And this is also called as direction ratio along x-axis, y-axis and z-axis, because it is exactly going to give you a parallel support. So this is the concept, boss. If you will not understand this concept, boss, then definitely eureka, you will do in vector equations. Seriously, nobody will save you. That time your amma will also not come, I will also not come, no one will come to save you. Seriously. So you will be in trouble only. So now look here. We'll write the equation, b vector equation. Sorry. What is happening here? So b vector is exactly going to be, b vector is coming as I plus 2j plus 3k. Okay. So this is coming as b vector. Now a fixed point will be coming. So direction ratio is what? dr is 1 comma 2 comma 3. Direction ratio dr is 1 comma 2 comma 3. Direction ratio is coming as 1 comma 2 comma 3. Fixed point is something I'll throw on you. I'm seriously saying you. 1 minute or why would? This much only Tamil I know. Now look here. It is coming as what? 1 by 3i. Now that part is coming as minus 1 by 3j. And this part is coming as k. Done. So r vector is equal to 1 by 3i minus 1 by 3j plus k plus lambda I plus 2j plus 3k. So the parallel part, from here only we can get direction ratios. From there only what we are going to get? Direction ratios. Note down this one. If this question come in test means seriously, I am giving 3D. Ama. Yes, I am going to give. Oh, so you came to take question that I don't know anything. Come on. Shivaranjani, Tanesh, Darunesh, Saurish, Sanjana. These many students are there. All are there. Tomorrow physics exam is there. Oh, oh. How many chapters are coming? 7 chapters. Then today can I keep class at night revision? Oh, like that situation is there. I'm asking today can I keep class for 9 o'clock revision? 10 o'clock. I am Paithyam na. 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. I don't have any other one. I don't have any life also. 11. Why you are telling 11 o'clock? You said 12 o'clock you take class. Along na? Correct na? Sleeping time. Come on. Do it. I don't have any other word. 11 o'clock I should take class. Correct? If you type something unwanted, na, I punch you. Okay, beta. We'll go for the next question. Noted? Praveen noted? We'll go for the next question. Right? Find the direction cosine of the line. Find the direction cosine of the line. Okay, find the direction cosine of the line x minus 2 by 2 equal to 2y minus 5 by minus 3, comma, z equal to minus 1. Also find vector equation of line. Also find vector equation of line. Come on, go for it. Also find vector equation of line. So beta, first we have to again convert it into the same format. What is the format? Everything will be equal now because it is a line. So here it will become like this: x minus 2 by 2 equal to y minus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 equal to z plus 1 by 0. Because here if this will shift this side, it will become z plus 1 equal to 0. So 0 will come down. Okay, so it will come z plus 1 by 0. Now come on, go for it. So what in all are the direction ratios? So direction ratios will become direction ratios. By I told you many times about direction ratios, the ABC point which will be exactly present from the direction side. So B vector is the parallel support and it is giving direction. Okay, so the ratio part will be coming as, so what are the direction ratio? 2 minus 3 by 2 and 0. And if you will be writing this equal to lambda, then 100% your work is over. Why 100% work is over? Because this part will go and multiply with lambda. So it will become x minus 2 is equal to 2 lambda. So x is equal to 2 plus 2 lambda. X I cap is equal to 2 plus 2 lambda I cap. This is x component. Understood? Now this part equal to lambda. Y minus 5 by 2 is equal to, this will multiply with lambda, minus 3 by 2 lambda. So y is equal to 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 lambda. Multiply it with j component, it will become 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 lambda j. Now k component, this part will be equal to lambda. So this equal to 0 into lambda. Understood? So that means what? Z is equal to minus 1 plus 0 into lambda k cap, and this part will become k cap. Now everything is coming. This is equation 1 take, this is equation 2 take, and this is equation 3 take. Adding equation 1, 2 and 3. So you add equation 1, 2 and 3. What we are going to get when we are adding equation 1, 2, 3, it is coming as xi plus yj plus zk is equal to this part. It will become 2I, lambda part is separate, plus 5 by 2j, and then here this part is coming as minus k. This will become a. Now plus lambda take out, it will become 2I, next part is minus 3 by 2j, and then 0k. So here this part will be considered as r vector, this part will become a vector plus lambda b vector. Done. That's it. That part is coming as lambda a vector. So a vector is what? 2I plus 5 by 2j minus k, and b vector is 2I minus 3 by 2j plus 0 into k. So these are exactly the procedures of solving. These are the very basic I explained. You know what? Nobody will be doing. Directly they are writing the answers. But I am explaining everything, every point. So this is exactly what? Direction ratio. What is this? Direction ratios. Whatever you are writing in the denominator part will be always considered as direction ratios. See that you, many people what they will do is they'll multiply 0 with lambda. You need not to multiply 0 with lambda and say that it is 0, okay, because you have to, at last you have to take out that lambda. Understood? 0 is exactly means what? When we write like this now, you need to understand one thing. Maybe that one point is exactly z axis, the 2 point will be present, but third point is not there in z axis, so z value is exactly considered as 0. 0 into lambda, no, if you write only lambda, then it is 1. Na? 1 into lambda is 0 into lambda is, that's what. But we need not to write there 0 or lambda. Here, what was my intention of writing this one? Because at last 0 got multiplied to k, correct? Na? So that total part vanished now. That total part vanished. So, but for writing skill, I, J, K component, all the three component I have written. Very smartly I aligned the thing and I then notated there. Understood? So that part will become the parallel support, and from parallel support what we are getting? Direction ratios. But are they asking direction ratios? No, they are asking the direction cosines. So once they are asking direction cosines, that means what? We got direction ratios. What in all are the direction ratios, beta? The direction ratios are 2, minus 3 by 2 and 0. So what is direction cosine? L will be equal to plus minus 2 by root under 2 square plus minus 3 by 2 whole square plus 0 square. So 0 square writing is not at all working. Understood? Next will become minus 3 by 2 root under 2 square plus minus 3 by 2 whole square, and then 0 by root under 2 square plus minus 3 by 2 whole square. This will become the direction cosine. This will be presenting which one? This will present L, this will present M, and this will present N. Understood? And after solving, you will be getting the answer. So direction cosine is coming like that. We'll go for the next question, please. That's an easy concept. You need to understand and you need to sort out and solve. That's the easiest part we have to understand. Yes? One last question. I'll wrap up early because more people are not there in the group. They are not ready to study. What should I do? Shakti Priyan, that monkey is calling you. Pick his call. Okay, fine. Come on. So what I'm doing is, because exams are there, so I'm going to keep it till here, because 9 o'clock again I have to take your class. 9 o'clock revision is relation part. Don't miss that section. So children, again at 9 o'clock I'm going to join with all of you. That time be present, because that time I'm going to give you full revision of relation section. So revision part I'm starting. Do you want class today or not? Tell me fast. Do you want class today or not? Hmm? If 9 o'clock you people will not be present, it's 100%. After that, 1 week I will not take class. That much I am creating problem, huh? Nice. I don't know, ma'am did not answer. 9 did not. Huh? Monday exam is there, na maths exam. Directly. Saturday what exam is there? Then one small time, how I'm going to give division? After physics, what exam is there? After that? Okay, Eureka, Eureka, go. Maths full vector I'm going to give. Okay, fine, done na beta. So I'm going to wrap up till here only. After that, 9 o'clock, I'm going to start.